Have you ever wondered about the stories behind the famous landmarks of New York City? Today, we're setting out on a journey of discovery, unearthing the rich history and intriguing facts that lie beneath the surface of the Big Apple's most celebrated sites. We'll be visiting Lady Liberty herself, the towering Empire State Building, and the verdant expanse of Central Park. These landmarks are more than just stunning sights. They're woven into the fabric of this city's story. So buckle up as we dive into the fascinating tales behind these iconic sites. The first stop on our virtual tour is the majestic Statue of Liberty. Rising triumphantly from the waters of New York Harbor, this iconic figure has welcomed countless immigrants and visitors to the shores of the United States since the late 19th century. The story of the Statue of Liberty begins in France, where it was conceived and built as a gift of friendship to the United States. The statue was designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, and its metal framework was created by none other than Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind the Eiffel Tower. When the statue was first erected in 1886, it was not the familiar green we know today, but rather a shining beacon of copper. Over time, the elements gave the statue its current patina, a process that took about 30 years to complete. In the statue's raised right hand, she holds a torch, a symbol of enlightenment. In her left, a tabula ansata, a tablet evoking the law, inscribed with the date of the American Declaration of Independence. At her feet, broken shackles represent freedom from oppression and tyranny. The Statue of Liberty is more than a monument. She is a testament to the enduring friendship between France and the United States, and to the universal ideals of freedom and democracy that both nations hold dear. Indeed, the Statue of Liberty continues to be a beacon of freedom and a symbol of the enduring friendship between the United States and France. Next, we journey to the heart of the city, where the Empire State Building towers over the skyline. This colossal structure is more than just a landmark. It's a symbol of resilience and ambition that's as timeless as the city itself. The Empire State Building's story begins in the throes of the Great Depression. It was during these challenging times that a beacon of hope started to rise, quite literally, from the ground up. Despite the economic hardships, construction of the building went ahead, a testament to the indomitable spirit of New Yorkers. Completed in a record-breaking 1 year and 45 days, the Empire State Building was not just a remarkable feat of engineering, but also a beacon of hope during the country's darkest hours. For nearly 40 years, it enjoyed the status of being the world's tallest building, a towering testament to human achievement and perseverance. But did you know, this giant of the skyline was also envisioned as a docking station for airships? Yes, the designers dreamed of a future where zeppelins and dirigibles would anchor to its spire, turning the building into an airship terminal. While this vision never materialized, it's a fascinating piece of trivia that adds to the allure of the iconic building. And who can forget its starring role in the classic film King Kong, where it served as the dramatic backdrop for the climax of the story? The Empire State Building has cemented its place in popular culture, forever associated with the image of the giant ape scaling its heights. Standing tall and proud, the Empire State Building truly embodies the spirit of New York City. Finally, we escape the concrete jungle and find refuge in the lush greenery of Central Park. An urban oasis in the heart of Manhattan, Central Park stands as a testament to the vision of its creators, Frederick Law Olmsted and Calvert Vogts. Back in the mid-19th century, they won a design competition to create this public park, an endeavor that transformed an area of swamps and bluffs into the beloved sanctuary it is today. Over the years, Central Park has seen many transformations. In the late 19th century, it was the place for high society carriage rides. During the Great Depression, it served as a place of refuge for many, and in the 1960s, it became the backdrop to many cultural and political events. Now let's talk size. Central Park spans an impressive 843 acres, making it 5 times larger than Monaco. It's not the largest city park in the United States, but it is arguably the most famous, having featured in over 300 films and countless TV shows. From the winding trails of the Ramble to the tranquil waters of the lake, Central Park is a world within a world, offering a variety of landscapes and recreational opportunities. It's a place for artists and athletes, thinkers and dreamers, lovers and loners. Whether you're a local or a tourist, Central Park offers a refreshing retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. As we conclude our tour, we hope you've enjoyed the journey. We've explored the Statue of Liberty's beacon of freedom, the towering Empire State Building's grandeur, and the tranquil retreat of Central Park. Next time you find yourself in the Big Apple, remember, each landmark holds a story waiting to be told.